What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about Book of Meme. All right, we've mentioned this in plenty of different videos about where this has gone and where this could potentially go. Obviously, we want to kind of dive into that as well. But mainly, I want to focus on the level of movement that we did see this morning. Now, right now, it is 8 o'clock a.m. Yesterday, during my video, I think that things did come down lower than where I talked about it, but did eventually pump back higher. Now, you saw things that pumped in the morning, and it started to kind of level out throughout the day after hitting kind of a little bit of a low level. But then eventually, later in the day, it picked up really high up to a level of about 1.7 cents. So we'll talk about that movement and where we stand as of right now at 8 o'clock. And maybe, hopefully, when this video is posted somewhere around 12 p.m., we have more of a push. However, the rest of the market, the leaders in the market are not really functioning in the right way. So I would imagine that we're probably going to see a little bit of catch up with the market. And hopefully this provides maybe a purchasing opportunity because I'm not looking to just settle on what I have. I would love to have a lot more because I feel like it does have popularity to it. So if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about those links that I'll have down there for Margex, for any other trading platform, for crypto trading platform, stock trading platform. If you want to check out those links, feel free to check that out. Honestly, Margex is a great platform where you can leverage trade up to 100x leverage if you want to. They offer Pepe at 25x leverage, Shiba Inu at 25x leverage, Dogecoin at 25x leverage, and the list goes on and on. But let's talk about Book of Meme. Again, yesterday we made a video talking about how we believe that this has a chance to get to a level of $1, right? And getting to $1 is not a crazy feat. Like, it's not like getting to a $140 billion market cap or a $1 trillion market cap. Like, it's a $55 billion market cap, which honestly still is high. But when we see other meme coins that are making huge moves up into the 20s and maybe even pushing 30s billion-dollar market cap, and seeing Dogecoin previously at a level of like 90 billion-dollar market cap, you understand that this is physically possible. This is very possible to easily get to that point. Well, I wouldn't say super easy, but definitely has the ability to get to that point. Currently, we're standing at a 29% gain. As of the time of recording this video, it may change as you see the day go on, because as you see the rolling 24 hours, it moves with it, and you'll see it at a starting point of 1.5 cents versus the 1.1 cents, and that will be somewhere around the 12 o'clock mark where this is released. So this could honestly be at a loss at the time of you guys seeing it, depending on how far this does drop and kind of adhere to the rest of the market. Now, currently, again, we're seeing it up 29%. We're seeing the volume that's up 101%. That's not going to change. It's up a massive amount, where we're seeing $1.9 billion that's going through this. This is $1.9 billion through a meme coin that literally just became live and became available to a lot of people like a week ago. Like, it's not that long ago that this has just come to the market and we see the push. So to be able to see this level of an impact, to where every single day it's billions upon billions upon billions upon billions of dollars that are flowing through this, honestly, it's very eye-opening, very surprising to see the different impact that it does have. Now, again, we're almost at the $1 billion market cap level. We're at an $818 million market cap. And we're also seeing that my overall crypto balance is around $3,086. For some reason, I couldn't see that. $3,086.50. And if we go at how much I did have as a gain, right, let's go to my portfolio, and you're going to see that I currently have about $500 worth of a gain in Book of Meme. So it's not a crazy gain right now. I would like to be able to gather more, so I needed to find a way to come back if it's going to. And honestly, the way the market is trending, it looks like that may be kind of the case. We're seeing the overall market down by 2.7%. We are seeing Bitcoin's dominance decrease, which is definitely more of a sign of altcoin seasoning starting to, or altcoin season to kind of pick up. We should kind of make a seasoning called altcoin seasoning, and that would be cool. But altcoin season is starting to pick up, seeing it at 51.5% right now. So instead of seeing it at 52, 53, seeing it at 51. We still want to see it a lot lower, around less than 50%. But Bitcoin is starting to come back, where we see Bitcoin at a level of 4%. We see Ethereum at a level of 3%. I don't know what just dropped upstairs, but see it at a level of 3%. So we see these two things that are dropping quite a bit, meaning that the rest of the market may end up playing catch up. You also see Solana that's down about 9%. So they're going to be playing catch up to the market. And, that's why you see, maybe BOME that's currently at 30 or 29% or whatever, that ends up pulling back a little bit more and looks worse and worse as, the day goes on, because of the fact that it's playing catch up to the market. It got to a high point of 1.7 cents, but then did decrease down here, did pick up a little bit, but you can see again, the rest of the market is falling down. So it makes sense why this would drop down here. Now, if we look at the last 7 days, it still is up 205%. The last month, seeing it up 1,532% is amazing. Now, I decided to invest somewhere around the 2 mark, and then invest another around the 1 mark, and another around the lower than 1 mark. So somewhere around this point, to get me at a cost basis that's definitely a little bit lower, but not crazy low, right? Because right now where we're standing, I'm still at a positive, and I'll be at a positive until it gets down to about 1.1, something like that, 1.1 cent. But I know that it has a massive future. I know that we're going to see this grow quite a bit, just because of the different markets that it's available on: Binance, Gate.io, KuCoin, all of these different plays, all of these different places that honestly, provide millions upon millions of dollars in volume. And we see when Binance decides to go all in on something, they're looking to improve their bottom line. I talked about this in my live stream. When they go all in on something, like say Terra Luna Classic, or any position that's over there or that's brand new or whatever, they are looking to increase their bottom line. They're not looking to sell the position right away, turn around and sell it for a profit. No, because then that means that you have taxes and all that associated with it. They're looking to secure that asset, hold that asset for a long period of time, increase their balance sheet, increase their level of volume that you end up seeing, and then eventually maybe take whatever their initial investment was into it, and do something with that. However, a lot of times they're getting their initial investment by the fees that are going through with all of the transactions that happen, the millions upon millions of dollars or hundreds of millions of dollars that are happening on the website, or on their exchange. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about Book of Meme. I honestly believe that this is going to be a big play, but it's still unknown whether we are going to officially see this hit a level of $1, which would be massive for a lot of people, including me. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Don't forget about Margex if you guys want to sign up for that. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.